Okay, we're back at the subway. We're gonna go to the Pentagon City Mall and get McDonald's breakfast before heading down to Capitol Hill today. So once we get our coffee and our breakfast, we'll be much better. Here it comes. Here comes our subway. The blue line. Pentagon City. We're gonna go sit down, or is it crowded? Doesn't look too bad. We're just going to the next stop, so if you guys want to, no, is it the next stop? Yeah, the next stop. So if you guys want to stand, go ahead. Well, we're in the subway, but the train is just sitting down there. It's not moving, so we're not sure what's going on. It started to come into the station, and then it just stopped. And the other train just passed. It was empty. So I guess we'll sit here and wait a few minutes, see what happens. Oh, it beeped. Get back, Leland. Here it comes, I think.
Something was happening. We just have to fix it.
They might have been the timing, like they were taking the other train off the track because it's not busy. So is this one empty, or is this? What is New Carlton? That's where we want to go? Okay, we just got off at Capitol South, heading to the Capitol Building. So we got to meet Bubba over here. Oops, sorry. Escalators on this side. Over on this side. That train's going in the opposite direction. Hey Colton, you gotta put that away. Alrighty, here we go, up to the Capitol Building. Well, we're about a block or two away. I can't, if I remember correctly. Up the escalator. See you later. As we go up the escalator. And then we go out. I'll have to give them the cards here up at the top. All right. Okay, here we go. Leaving the subway station. Heading up and out. The outer side world. From the depths of the subway. Back to the sunlight where the Eloi live. Leaving the Morlocks behind. There's a big escalator. They're much larger ones here though. At least today's a nice sunny blue day. Still going up. Okay, we're almost at the top. Alright, here we go. We made it to the top of Capitol South Station. Oh boy, they got like walls up. Okay, now we gotta figure out where to meet Bubba. Okay, we made it to Capitol Hill. We're on the steps of Capitol Hill. Here we are. Nation's capital. This is the Capitol Building at Washington D.C, or directly in front of it. So this is where you would go into the visitor center. You go down underneath the street level to the entrance of the Capitol Center. So So this is the Supreme Court building right here
It's tough imagining.
of the United States of America. The flag's half staff. So we're on our way to the Senator Hart Building, where the senators meet. And we got cherry blossoms are out. So it's kind of pretty right now. So they're standing in front of the Supreme Court building right now. I'll take a picture. We got models here in the Hart Building. Here's a Capitol building. And this is the original Capitol building, I guess. That no longer looks like this. Oops, sorry. This is the revised design for the Capitol. So this is what it was going to look like originally.
The old Capitol?
Yeah, that's how it was going to look, and then they made it look like what? There's a little squirrel eating some nuts or something. Okay, we're entering Union Station, the main train station. We're coming here to have lunch. They have a huge food court. Here's the resident pigeons, all cooing. Here we are at the entrance to Union Station. Let's go inside. Yes, it is. This is the train station.
Change.
See, it says right there, tickets, trains, car rentals.
That's a change.
The trains are on the other side. So this has a huge domed ceiling. Here's the other half. This is where you buy your, see it says Amtrak over there? That's where you buy your tickets for Amtrak. There is?
Behind you.
Oh yeah, they got a big food court in the basement area. Yep, we're going down. We're going down where the food is because we're gonna have lunch. Oh, they got a Walgreens and a Chick-fil-A. Food court area. What do you guys want to get to eat? I can see there's a Jersey Mike, Chipotle, Chick-fil-A.
I want Chick-fil-A.
You want Chick-fil-A? Pokey. There's a pokey place. We can go down there and look. Okay, we're in the Metro Center. We got trains going this way and that way. We have to go down to connect to the other train we need to get on. So it goes all over, this way and that way. Okay, we're going down to catch the other train going in the other direction. We're going towards Largo, New Carlton. Just got off the train. We're heading back to the hotel. After our journey to Capitol Hill and the train station. Yep, go up. Go up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up we go. Ooh, Wes. Yep.
Why?
Because people will run by you when it's busy. We've been kind of lucky. It hasn't been very busy the times we've ridden it. We're having our dinner at Cheesecake Factory in Arlington, Virginia, just outside of Washington, D.C. Oh, what did you just say?
Subscribe to John Cage.
Okay, thanks.
Subscribe to John Cage.
Okay, this is why we come to the Cheesecake Factory. It's for the cheesecake. And the kids got ice cream. Joe got a, what did you get? What kind of cheesecake is that?